Hi, I'm Armando Rodriguez, a food service coworker here at IKEA Burbank, California, where I've been working here for 2 years plus. I bet you didn't know that IKEA was the 6th biggest food chain in the world. Crazy, right?
I'll also bet when you think of IKEA food, you're thinking meatballs, but we're so much more. At IKEA, we really like feeding our customers healthy, sustainable, affordable, great tasting meals with a Swedish twist.
Come along with me, and I'll give you a behind-the-scenes look at the passionate, dedicated people who make it happen every day across our restaurant, bistro, and marketplace. Let's go. We'll start in receiving. This is where it all begins. Meet Carlos. He's worked with IKEA for more than 15 years because why leave a company that makes you feel good? He gets us off to a good start by sorting our daily deliveries that will head to the bistro and Swedish food market and getting ingredients for the restaurant into the refrigerators. At IKEA, you don't need to have a restaurant background. You just need to be passionate about food. The staff cafe is where we all gather to break, spend time together, have fun, and re-energize. It's a really special place because our coworkers can also cook up their own recipes and we get to taste food from many different cultures. At IKEA, we value and celebrate individual differences, and we take pride in their unique experiences our coworkers bring each and every day to work. Yoshi has been with IKEA for 2 years now, after working at several hotels and restaurants. He loves the fast-paced environment and works in hot prep, where today he is getting our 100% responsibly sourced salmon and veggie balls ready for lunch service. On our cold prep side, we have Rita. She has joined IKEA after leaving the workforce to raise and care for her family. She has been here for more than 10 years now. Part of what she does is make delicious salads, wraps, and sandwiches that our customers enjoy in our restaurant. Our team is passionate about doing little things every day that make a big difference. For starters, we offer several plant-based options that are better for people and better for the planet. This is our restaurant where customers can come and take a break from their shopping to grab a plate that's not only tasty, but healthy and sustainable too. Andres is one of our restaurant cashiers. He greets our customers with a smile and helps keep the restaurant looking clean and inviting for the many people who enjoy food here each day. Now we've made it to the bistro, where customers can grab a quick-sized pizza or a veggie dog after they've all been checked out. Our last stop along the tour brings us to the Swedish food market. This is where people come grab their favorite affordable Swedish goodies to make and enjoy at home. That's where they can meet Erica, who has been here just about a year. Erica already wants to get involved in our leadership development program, which will help her learn and grow within IKEA. I hope you enjoyed meeting the people and seeing the places that make IKEA food tick. And if you think you have a taste for working alongside passionate people like these, we'd love to meet you too.